gonna get a video of me washing some ice. I had a bucket of cracker. Because I had a bucket. Hey look, the snow's sticking. Woo! Can't wait. So there's no problem, honey. There's some ice in the bucket. Well, it's no problem because I got a 10-pound sledge. Somewhere's in there. Undo this. There. Now you guys can see me going. I gotta get the load. Alright guys, I'm all set. Alright, here we go, get mad at it. Oops, I dented it. There, I think it's all done. Let's go take a ride. I'll go down to the pit, guys. I hope all this is done. Oh, I open it up a little bit. Oh, glove can's go there. Alright guys, sorry about that. Oh, I had the brake on. This is a pain in the ass. Oh, 1 second. There. That's forward to these guys don't remember from my previous videos. Go ahead, bitch. Yeah, it does got cold going down the road. I'm about 30 degrees. Yeah, I gotta burn that control. There's a little bit of triaxle we got left. Hold on 1 second, guys. See if it came out. Bitch, he sucks. Haha! Hell came out! Ta-da! Sides are a little bit bent today and I can fucking rebend them out. Right there, it's all fucking bent today. And it's supposed to work out. So it fit right on the cutting edge. Well, so that's the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Time for me to go up to my house and split some wood. I'll get a video of that up.